Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Charge the Samsung A03 Core to at least 50% and back up recent photos. This protects data. Next, go to Apps, find Settings, and clear cache then Data. This removes corrupt temporary files that often crash the app. Once done, force stop settings and perform a normal restart. This reloads the system's services cleanly. Make sure to stay in the system environment, not safe mode, so the phone applies default configurations during the reboot process. Once the basic reset didn't fix it, the next step is system level. Check software update and install pending patches, because firmware fixes often resolve settings crashes. Then reset app preferences to restore disabled apps or permissions that interfere. If crashes continue, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party app conflicts. If settings works in safe mode, uninstall recent apps one by one. Make sure to note which app you remove. This narrows down the culprit without wiping personal data. If problems persist, back up everything and perform a factory reset from general management. This removes persistent corruption. After the reset, immediately install system updates before restoring apps. This prevents reintroducing the fault. Reinstall apps selectively and verify setting stability after each restore. One key troubleshooting tip. If settings still stops after a fresh reset, the issue may be a hardware or firmware fault. Take screenshots of errors and contact Samsung support or an authorized repair center for diagnostics and possible reflashing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.